want to avoid being that guy that's out in the bush, getting stuck and using other people's recovery gear, you need to get yourself a Drivetech 4x4 Mammoth Recovery Kit. It comes with everything you see here and it's absolutely insane. Let me run you through exactly what you can expect inside this hardcore bag. You're going to have an 8-ton snatch strap, which is perfect for all your bigger four-wheel drives, right down to your little things like your Jimneys and your Jeeps. You're going to have a 5-ton winch extension strap, which is perfect if you just need that little bit of extra length or you need to tow someone out of a big nasty hole but you don't want the stretch of a snatch strap. What more, if you've ever winched around a tree, you really want to be using a tree trunk protector, or you can also use them as a bridle. That's why they've got the 12-ton Drivetech tree trunk protector strap. What more, you're going to have 2 rated bow shackles, of course in powder coated black, looking really nice. These are 4.75 ton rated and these are going to be absolutely critical in your recovery kit. What else? If you have anything but an 80 series, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. You'll get stuck at all hours of the day. Now to avoid that, you're going to want a head torch. Now Drivetech's got you covered here as well. This is of course a rechargeable head torch. So you're going to be able to do your recoveries long into the night and see exactly what you're doing. What more? An 8-ton snatch block, winch pulley, whatever you want to call it. Now these are perfect for doing double line pulls, technical winches or anything like that. This is what you need to be using, especially rated ones at that. I can't stress that enough. What else? You're not going to be able to saw through an entire tree, but this is the perfect thing for taking away those little branches that might be causing you a little bit of a hassle down the really narrow goat tracks and that kind of thing. A folding saw, really imperative that you keep those with you and handy at all times. What else? If you're a bit precious about your hands or you're running steel cable, leather gloves are really important too. These Drivetech ones are really nice, they're soft and they're going to keep your hands protected as well from any nasty steel cable burrs and that kind of thing. And finally, a shovel. Now these in a recovery scenario are incredibly useful. If you need to do a little bit of track building to get that Prado up the last little bit of the track, this is perfect. You'll be able to carve out a little bit of track, move some dirt and mud around, that kind of thing, do whatever you need to do. And being a folding shovel, it comes in this handy little bag. It takes up literally no space at all. Super easy to carry. You keep it in the back and trust me, you'll be thanking me when you finally find a use for this boy. And of course you've got all this gear. How are you going to store it? Of course in the Mammoth Drivetech recovery bag. Now this is included with it. You're going to be able to store absolutely everything you need inside here. Plus you've got all these awesome pouches on the outside for any extra gear. You might have your tire pressure monitoring stuff, your rapid deflators and all that kind of stuff. You're going to have a pouch for absolutely all of that as well. You've got a shoulder strap and you're good to go.